YouTubers here, we're having a rebuilds. We just picked up the Audi S5. This guy, man, he bolted up the old fender when I got a new one today. I had dropped him off a hood from the junkyard. He bolted everything up. I'm gonna show you guys what he did. So he bolted the old fender that's ripped right here to the bumper. So I gotta remove that, fix that. This is the junkyard hood. I hope when I open it, everything lines up. This I gotta fix, cause that came for the price of $250. This is what you get. But so far, let's take it off to the shop. Look what we have here, guys. Does this car look familiar to you? Let me show you guys. This is crazy, right? When you see a car that you just fixed and sold on the road, that's how you know it's love right there. Look at that. Look at that there. You guys know what car that is? Yeah, man, on the road. So that's how you sell a car. Make people happy. Fix it up perfectly and get it done. See what happens when you do good by people? They still driving your cars on the road, happy with it, registered, everything. See what happens? Do good by people, and look, now we in the S5. Flipping, just continue to flip. So that makes me happy just to see that car on the road, you know? It's crazy, right? Well, we on the way to the shop in the S5. Today, I'm gonna see what I can do to it and get it looking better than what it is now. We go from there. I got an engine light here. I think that's for a misfire. We're gonna figure that out in a second. See you guys at the shop in 1 second. Hey guys, so we got the car in the shop, and now we're gonna prepare this bumper for repair, and we're gonna fix this right here and get the new fender on there, and probably do a little work here to fix these chips and stuff like that. So, oh my God, this hood is scratched up crazy. Gotta paint that whole hood. So I'm gonna show you guys the initial damage on the car. So the initial damage on the vehicle was basically the fender right here. And also the hood was also damaged. All right, so we're gonna get to the damage. This is the damage here. This was the main damage. The headlight was crashed. This was bent in, as you can see right here. And we got it pulled out to match and line up here. Now I'm just gonna remove this fender because I'm not repairing this fender. It's aluminum. And we're gonna just replace this fender. Also the headlight needs to be incorrectly because the headlight is not held by anything but this one clip. That looks like it's gonna crack in a second. Look at that. So I gotta take this off because this needs some. See, that is almost so cracked because I was riding with that like that. So I'm gonna remove this headlight now, and let's get to it. Let's get to taking this fender off. See, the headlight is only held with one damn clip. clip. It was the easiest headlight to remove, right? I think in the junkyard, I think I found where it broke from. This is almost on the verge of cracking. So I gotta put some extra glue around here. As you can see, it's on the verge of cracking. I'm gonna replace that, man. $70, you can't beat the headlight though. So, how many? They really bolted it up, man. Oh, they bolted it in here, probably. I definitely need a new one because I ripped this one out being fast. So just rip this other part off. Yeah. So now, okay, so they put one over here. See this half-ass job, only one screw in here. Some random ass screws. So you got the fender off. Look, that was easy. Okay. Fender off. I still need that V8. Like it was painted before. Look at that there. See that? So you can tell it was painted. Somebody taped it over right here. So it was painted before. Fresh new fender. Yeah. Get that fresh fender. Cost me like $260. These fenders are not cheap, yo. Oh, no, 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 no. Look at this here. See, that's what I be talking about. Look at that. Bent up. Come on now. Come on now. Don't do that now. Do that now. Coming out the pack all bent up. It's always like that though. Let me set this aside. Set this aside. Okay, so we got the fender. Look, and they got a dent right here. Come on, yo. Like, I think I can see that, man. Like, new fender out the pack. New fender out the pack, bent up, bent right. So I just locked the hood, and now I can't pop the latch because I can't do it at the same time. It's like the latch, and then I gotta mess with the hood just to try to basically open it. So I need somebody to come. So I'm waiting on my partner to come help me out with this, give me a hand. But in the meantime, I could just try to get this bumper back in order. This bumper is just dented right here a little bit, so this could be grinded down so I won't have no sharp pieces sticking out when I put this together. I'll heat that up at the bottom. These cracks on the bumper, I'm going to be using this hot staple gun right here, and basically it joins the two seams with staples like this. You can see the smoke coming from it. Give it a second, let it cool down. Here roll this. So we're gonna seam it together with these staples. Right now, let me get something so I can sit on and watch. So now that we got all of those staples done, I'll take the wire cutter, chop some of them off. After I do that, I'm gonna hit it with the grinder once more to shave these pieces down. I had put some of this bumper epoxy on the outside. Also, we put some on the inside. I'm sure you can see that. So we got that on there. Fix that bumper real fast. And then get it in order. And we're gonna get that fender lined up and tightened on. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys. So what's going on, guys? I just finished connecting the fender to the bumper. I'm trying to get this right. I sanded down the whole hood, as you've seen, and now I'm just trying to get. So good. I sanded this down all the way, and all the rock chips I sanded down as well. For now, I might just do the Bondo on this piece and finish up like that. I'm about to put the wheel back on, because everything is really completed under there. I'm just need to order two brackets that belong to hold the headlight, to support the headlight. Let me show you guys another thing. In the junkyard that I went to, when I went and got the hood, they had this piece laying on the car, and I just happened to just pick it up. And this is the piece that goes here to fix the bracket on the headlight. So I'm gonna JB weld this on with epoxy. And put some right here also, because this is cracked. But so far so good. It looks good. I'm just gonna do that and then get the pieces so the bumper the headlight can fit on perfectly. It looks so good so far though. It definitely looks so good. Even with the repair right here, this looks good. It's poking out a little bit right here, but I'm gonna put some Bondo on it and try to make it as smooth as possible. Because I didn't really want to replace this. This bumper is quite expensive. I was. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below, let me know what you guys think about this flip. Let me know what you think it's gonna go for. I paid $4,500 for it. It's clean, 100,000 miles. All I had to do so far was buy a hood. The hood was $250 from the junkyard. I got it for a steal. What if I got it for $200 flat? And they threw in the hood shock, or whatever that thing is called. So I got that for $200. I got the headlight for $70. And the most expensive thing so far was a new fender, was $260. And the paint was about, say, $50 for the paint. So you add all that up, and that's what I'm in so far for the car. Let me know in the comments what you think I could sell it for. How much you think I could sell it for when it's complete. I'm gonna sell it as a salvage title also. I'm not gonna rebuild the title because that just takes too long. And it's just gonna have my money sitting around waiting for the process of the inspection. So let me know what you guys think I could sell this car for with a salvage title fully completed.